everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Trishit Saha and today I'm going to talk to you about a vlogging microphone that I bought just 2 weeks ago, and this is the one. It is Maono AU-CM10. I will link that down in my description, and its price MRP is around 2,799, but in Amazon I got it for 1,500, and it's quite I actually tested it and I thought that it's quite nice. And what we get inside the box here is we just need to pull this, and then you will find inside one shotgun microphone, and inside a packet you can see swirling wires and plus TRRS to TRS converter, and that converter is very helpful. So this microphone, as you can see, can be used in I don't know if you can see or not, but we can use it around in cameras like DSLRs, camcorders, PCs and mobile phones. That's written here. They give that TRRS converter to TRS converter so that we can use it in DSLR. While using DSLR you need to use it. Also for using mobile phone and PC you just have to plug it directly. There is no converter required. So guys, this video has been recorded in this microphone, so you guys might able to tell what all you can hear around me. Like, I think there is a small hissing sound, but that can be fixed in the post. So just tell me. It's around I don't know, around 1 meter distance from mine. So yeah, how does it sound? So here the thing is, in Amazon there are two types of this product. One gives only this mic and the wires. So I just need this only because I already have a tripod and stuff. The other one, they give the complete kit. They give you, like, they have a mobile holder plus you have a tripod also. So that is what they give you there. It can also be connected to any mobile phones like 3.5mm headphone jack mobile, which has that. Actually I am using iPhone, so I cannot use it right now without a converter. Also you can use it in laptop to record your sound. So yeah, it's quite versatile. Now I will take this mic to my balcony and I'll see if you can hear any outside sound or any background disturbance in that. So let's test it outside. One important thing is, this is not sponsored. I bought it from Amazon. So guys, let's go out of my balcony and vlog. देखते हैं कि यहाँ पे कैसा आता है इसका साउंड क्वालिटी. Let's see. मैं अभी बाहर आ गया हूँ एंड थोड़ा सा बर्ड्स का नॉइज़ एंड थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड नॉइज़ है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा वर्क चल रहा है. सो इफ़ यू कैन पिक इट अप और नॉट, जस्ट चेक वंस. Yes. So yes, I have tested this mic और मुझे काफ़ी इसका लुक भी बहुत अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि इसके पहले I had Boya by MM1. That was a dead cat mic. तो उसमें क्या था कि क्वालिटी अच्छा था बट थोड़ा हिसिंग साउंड था. आई गेस इसमें भी हिसिंग साउंड होगा, बट वो पोस्ट में मैनेज हो ही जाता है इतने प्राइस में. और व्हाट कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट मोर. बर्ड साउंड, कैन यू हियर. क्वालिटी तो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. इसका बिल्ड क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा है. एंड नाउ आई विल अनप्लग माई माइक एंड यू कैन टेल कि डिफरेंस कैसा है. सो दिस इज़ द इंटरनल माइक्रोफोन ऑफ द कैमरा. तो इसका वॉइस आप सुनिए एंड देन दिस इज़ विद द प्लग्ड इन माइक. सो यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस. क्लैरिटी अच्छा हुआ होगा. आई हैव रिव्यूड इट इन द पोस्ट एंड क्लैरिटी काफ़ी अच्छा है, बट थोड़ा सा हिसिंग साउंड यू कैन हियर. So quite an awesome mic for vlogging. I liked it a lot. So as you can see, there is wind protector on this mic. तो इसमें अगर मैं निकालूँगा, then you can see few dots and structures. This represents the microphone. They have around 3 to 4 microphones inside. ये काफ़ी powerful है and काफ़ी अच्छा result देता है. So guys, I hope that you like this review, this quick review that I had. And I feel that it is quite value for money. Like, for 1,500, what else do you want? So if you like this review, just leave a thumbs up. Do comment your views. Do you like this product or not? If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Peace.